Over here, look. Carlos. Get him. Get him. Now you won't do it. No, not this eye. Not this eye. Do it.
You keep saying night night to it.
There you go. He laughed.
What's he doing? Biting at his ear?
Yeah. Not his eyeball. No, not his eyeball. Stop. Stop it. You little turd. Not his eyeball. No. Turn back around. Okay.
What'd he get?
Now he's occupied with this. Let go. Get him.
Gizmo.
It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Here.